Now I'm back again. I'm fixing my daughter's soft courage. I just got out of the rice, got all the rice off of it. Now I'm gonna put it back together and see if it works. Let's find out. If it'll focus. There we go. Yeah, we're good. Now I get the cover back on here. Now put the shears back in. I'm gonna put the longest ones in first. And see, and start from there. Hopefully I don't lose any, because that would be very unfortunate. These are all tiny screws. It sucks when they get misplaced. And it sucks worse when you don't remember where all of them go. I actually made a map of that yesterday. But most of these are about roughly the same size, so that should be fine. I'm just glad to get this thing out of the rice and put everything back together. Oh, maybe put everything back together if I get the screws in the hole. Yes, I am out of practice with this. I haven't done one of these in a while. Yeah, here we go. Time to tighten them up. Now, you don't might take them too tight, but I'm using a Phillips head on star bits. Okay, unfortunately, I don't have one. So I should have gotten buy one. Which I'm gonna get one of those on eBay later. Make sure I get one. Then this job will be a little bit easier. Not saying a Phillips head won't work for you, providing you got a small enough one to fit the grooves, but still, it does help. There we go. Almost done. 3 screws left to tighten, I think. Or maybe more. The clicking sound you're hearing is only because, like I said, the Phillips head and the star bit doesn't always want to match together. But it does get the job done when you don't have nothing else to use for it. Last screw. Okay, now put the back on. I think the back's on. All the way. Oh, never mind. Now it is. There we go. Now to turn the phone on. See what happens. And I'll get my chest and charging adapter here. Just in case the battery is dead. It seems to take a little bit to boot up though, but as you can tell, the light reflection is very blended. It really ended up bright there, so that's kind of dull. But I was gonna get my webcam to focus good enough. Maybe. Yeah, see? It works. There you go. It's not a bright light, but as soon as the touchscreen works, it says it's 1% from being dead, so it takes a charge. And it does. So everything seems to be working. Alright, my daughter's phone is fixed. I'm sure she'll be very happy when she wakes up in the morning. This is WarCloud FF7, or WarCloud FF, signing off. Have a good night.